This is Africa's #1 brand Oraimo's FreePods Pro Plus earbuds. After unboxing, if you're waiting to pair and connect it for the first time with any iPhone like this iPhone 15, welcome to this short tutorial where we're going to show you how to do that. Now before you go first, make sure you have removed the film or sticker from underneath both the earbuds. Now make sure the buds are inside and connect it to the charging case. In a moment, you will see this flashing green and red LED on the right earbud. That means they're on pairing mode. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, and in a moment, Oraimo FreePods Pro Plus name will appear in the nearby Bluetooth devices list. Just tap on it to pair them together. After pairing and listening to music, if you want to further customize all the settings, just go ahead and search for Oraimo app on App Store. Then install, set up, connect, customize, explore the app, and change the settings as you want. Hope you all have a great time with your FreePods Pro and your iPhone. Thanks for watching.